In everybody's life, at a time they go through depression, a sense of emptiness, or a kind of fear and sadness. But in case of Yasmin Mujahid, she had all these mental issues together for more than 5 years. And for all these problems, there is only one reason and solution that you will know in the end of this video. Okay, let's begin. Yasmin Mujahid was born in Egypt. Within a year, her parents moved to United States, so she was raised as an Egyptian American kid. She lived a life where even being born as a Muslim, Islam was not taken seriously. Like any other kid, she went to normal public school and had lots of non-Muslim friends. But growing up as a teen, she suffered from fear and sadness. Slowly, depression became a natural part of her life. Not only that, during high school, she suffered from low-grade problem which pushed her to utter darkness. Even though she had lots of friends, no one could dissipate her emptiness. She became so depressed that her lungs couldn't grasp more air anymore. As you can see, both mental and physical condition are not in control of us. After a long period of time, she planned to start a career to become a doctor, but Allah had a different plan for her. One day, during a session, when all medical students were asked to check their own pulse, she found trouble in counting, and one of the medical students helped her, and it turned out to be 100. That means it is way above than a resting pulse. Already she was suffering from fear. This made her feel nothing less than a panic attack. She started to wonder, what was wrong? What would happen to my heart if it continued this way? Am I killing myself slowly? Is there nothing I can do about it? All night, she slept with unstoppable heart pounding. After a while, she thought breathing class would help her to relax. But nothing helped than to increase one more suffering called emphysema. It was at the age of 17 that she realized the more I try to solve my problem, the more worse it gets. So she just stopped focusing on her pulse rate. At a time of her life, there came a point where she wanted to know the purpose of life and the reason behind her creation. As she stepped onto the path of Islam, everything started to go easy. She felt like she is not alone anymore. And then she noticed a sense of spirituality, a strong relationship with Allah, which destroyed all her depression, sadness, fear, everything. And you know what? The only reason something looks like a problem to us is because we are looking at the problem instead of God. And the only solution for this is to cry, beg, and pray to Allah. Now she is 40 years old, who specialized in spirituality as well as psychology, and also inspires the world through her motivational lectures. Beside this, she is also an author and a writer. So, well, there is an interesting question that I would like to ask to the people who read her book. Can anyone guess the one key to success according to Yasmin Mujahid? Option number 1, timing. Option number 2, discipline. Option number 3, faith. And option number 4, hard work. And please let me know in the comment section below. Happiness, sadness, loss and gain all pass away. What they do to us is what remains. So, what's your story?